Hi, I'm back again. I have some more activities for you today. These are ones that I actually have done in a Pages and Play Club before, so some of you might remember them. And aren't you really lucky that you got to see them in person? My activities today are all about colors. And you know what? Adults, this is something you can practice anywhere because colors are everywhere. It's like, what color am I wearing today? What color is your dad wearing today? It's always something you can talk about and practice on learning. And I'm going to need your help with this first one because I have these. Do you know what these are? They're umbrellas, and they are lots of different colors, and I want you to tell me what color they are when I put them on the board, okay? Can you do that? Okay, so we have red and color's that one? Blue and green umbrellas. Color's that one? Other than on the floor. Oops. Yellow and orange and pink umbrellas. Black. And what color do we have next? And brown. And what's the... I am not doing that on purpose, by the way. What's the last color umbrella that we have? White. Black and brown and white umbrellas. Twirling in a rainstorm. Can you twirl like an umbrella? Twirl. Now we're going to take them back off again. Can you tell me what color I'm taking off? White and brown and black umbrellas. Pink and what's the next color? Orange. And this one, what color is that? Yellow umbrellas. And now we have, over here, green and blue. And what's our last color? Red. Red umbrellas. Now the rain is over. And now we don't need any more umbrellas. Okay. That one you might not remember. I found that one when I was cleaning out the closet. This one I know some of you have seen before. I'm going to need your help with this one again too. We have not only colors but also shapes. What kind of shape is that? It's a square. And do you know what color it is? Can you tell on this camera? It's green. And I have a little story here. And this one is maybe going to sound familiar to some of you. Green square, what do you see? I see what shape is that? It's a diamond. Do you know what color it is? It's pink. I see a pink umbrella, or pink diamond looking at me. Pink diamond, what do you see? I see what does it see? Some of these are a little tricky because of the camera. This is a red triangle. I see a red triangle looking at me. Red triangle, what do you see? Tell me what that is. It's a blue rectangle. That is right. I see a blue rectangle looking at me. Blue rectangle, what do you see? What does the blue rectangle see? What is that? It's a purple heart. I see a purple heart looking at me. Purple heart, what do you see? You know what that is? It's a red circle. That is right. You are so smart. I see a red circle looking at me. Red circle, don't fall on the floor. What do you see? I see a what is left? What color and shape haven't we had yet? We haven't had a yellow star yet. I see a yellow star looking at me. Yellow star, what do you see? I see a bunch of really smart kids looking at me and a gold star. That's what all of you get for being such good helpers. You can't see that one down there, can you? Okay, I'm going to take these off before they all fall on the floor. And I have another activity here that I have done at Pages and Play Club before, and it was pretty fun for toddlers, and I think the adults kind of enjoyed it too. Bear with me. I'm going to turn it around here. Just this. And this is a muffin tin with baking soda in it. And I know you're asking yourself, what does this have to do with colors, right? Well, that is a good question. Should we find out? Okay. I have this over here. This is going to help us find out what this has to do with colors. I've got some baking soda in here. What do you think is in here? It's not mustard. Do you have any ideas what it could be? It's vinegar, and the adults are probably all cringing right now because they know what's going to happen. What do you think will happen when I add the vinegar to the baking soda? And then so I put them in there and we'll find out what this has to do with colors. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, I might have to. There we go. Can you see that now? What color is it? It's red. How did I do that? I did it by magic. And I put some food coloring in there and covered it with baking soda. And then I added some vinegar to it. And I have instructions for this online. I will link those in the post so you can try this at home. And I have 5 more colors. Are you ready for the next one? What color do you think it's going to be? Okay, let's find out. You see what color that is? It's blue. What do you think this one's going to be? Okay. There we go. That one, do you know what color that is? It's the same color as my vinegar bottle. It's yellow. This is more fun when you can do it yourself, so you'll have to see if maybe you can get your adults to let you do this. Well, let's do this one. It's starting to peek out anyway. What color is over there? Green. So we try the next one. What color do you think is going to be in that one? I don't even remember what color it is. And I just did this. What color is that? Can you tell? It's orange. I don't know if you can hear the sound this is making, but you can listen to that sound when it's at home. And this is all that stuff that goes pop in your mouth when you eat it. That's what baking soda does it. Okay, we have 1 color left. What color do you think it is? Should we find out? Okay. It's supposed to be purple. Doesn't look very purple. Just dark blue. There. Still doesn't look very purple. There we go. So that's an activity that you can do at home. I'll include the instructions for that. Oh, and I have one more thing that you can do at home. If you have coffee filters, you can make yourself some marbled paper. And I made these with just some washable markers and some water and some coffee filters. I will also post the instructions for that with this video, so you can make that at home and you can see how does it go from coffee filter to marbled paper. And if you know, I don't have a book, and I have all the list of all those books in that document. I'll link that too. If you want a book that is related specifically to colors, there's a video of The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt, and the illustrator Oliver Jeffers did a video of him reading that book along with a lot of some celebrity guests. All got to read this book too, so I will post that also if you want to see that book specifically. And one of the guest readers for that book also was the author. So we have the author and the illustrator and some other celebrities. So that could be a fun thing to read. I really enjoyed it. So I will post all of those for you, and I'll have another video up for you next week. I will see you then.